My name is Marcus Pyle. I am the Franco Professor of the Humanities and Assistant Professor of Music at Davidson College, and I was a 2022 Intention Foundry participant. The Intention Foundry was helpful because it provided dedicated time for me, a society scholar, to sit one-on-one with the executive director of the American Musicological Society and brainstorm some moonshot proposals that would make the society more capacious. The benefits of the Intention Foundry are especially important right now. I think societies are really trying to figure out what they do best and how to best reach out to other groups and expand and diversify not only their scholarship but also their membership bodies. And I think what the ACLS is pretty committed to is making sure that societies think about the best steps forward and what it means to be a scholar in the 21st century as the times are shifting and as needs are shifting. I think what surprised me most about the Intention Foundry was this sense of community. It was one of the first kinds of conference-like experiences coming out of COVID, and everyone was very energized around their ideas to reshape and reform their societies and very open to having discussions. And we just created a really genuine network and community that has strengthened my commitment to my own society.